Hello students, myself Rudresh Tiwari. Today I am going to teach class 11th writing skills. The topic is invitations and replies. Students, first of all, we must know about the invitation. So let's start. Invitation. Invitation is the kind of personal notice sent individually to people. There are two types of invitation. First, formal invitations and second, informal invitations. So it can be in the form of an invitation card, which is a formal way of inviting people. It can be also in the form of a note or a letter, which is an informal way of inviting people. Students, it can be formed in two types. As you can see, formal or informal. If it can be in the form of invitation card for inviting people, this is the formal way, and it can be also in form of note or letter, so this is the informal way. For instance, inviting relatives, friends, colleagues, etc. to attend some particular function or an occasion such as engagement, marriage, birth, death, or public function is an informal invitation. So, particularly, we have to notice for that what is formal invitation. So, in a formal invitation card, one starts with the designation of the organizer, followed by name and address of host, details about the date, time, and venue of the function. Venue means place, and the name of the chief organizer with RSVP on the bottom left hand corner of the card. So students, formal invitation format you can see here. So as you can see, this is in the box, and start with the St. James School host or organizer. Request the pleasure of your company on the inauguration of the year. Students, as you had seen before, like this in different places. So this is the format of formal. After that, junior wing and little stars, date 6th August, time, venue, schedule, and cultural program, RSVP. Students, as I told before, that name of the chief organizer is in short form RSVP you have to write, and the right side, best wishes of the organization, best wishes of the organization. So students, this is the formal invitation format. And informal invitations are just personal letter written to friends or relatives. Their style is relaxed and informal. Informal invitation can include personal feelings and emotions. It means, student, you can express personal feeling and emotions in this type of invitations. So the format of informal invitation, as you can see, like this: sender's address, and then after that date, and left side you have to start like this: sender's address, date, and dear XYZ, and after that you have to write matter and body of the invitation, then after that date, time, venue, and at last you have to write yours truly. ABC means the name will be given there in the question, so that imagine name you have to write. You haven't write your personal name. Then after that, points to be kept in mind while writing an invitation. So the students, this is the remaining part of the invitations. So points to be kept in mind while writing an invitation. So student, these are the important points about both formal and informal, and you have to keep in your mind always when you are going to write formal or informal invitation. So first, formal, written in a box format, as you can see here, and then after that written in third person. It means third person, first person organization, second person organizer, and third person for whom you are going to write invitation. So written in third person, then name of host, and then after that date, time, venue, and occasion or function, which occasion or function is going to held. Then after that, formal language. It means, student, as you can understand that you have to write formal language if you are going to write formal invitation. Then next is informal. In this you have to remember these important points. First, written in a letter form, as you can see above. These are letter form. Like this you have to write letter, as you had studied in previous classes about letter form. So write in letter form, first person, date, time, venue, and then after that occasion or function, and informal language. Informal language, as you can see, dear friend, dear father, dear uncle, like this you have to start in this. So this is the end of the invitations. Thanks.